In today's video, I'm going to discuss why you cannot sue Transunion for defamation. Hi, I'm Bill Clanton, consumer protection attorney, and I've filed hundreds of lawsuits against debt collectors, credit reporting agencies, and defended lots of folks against lawsuits by debt collectors and credit card companies, and handled lots of other consumer-related claims. In today's video, I'm going to discuss why you can't sue Transunion for defamation. So what is defamation? Defamation is the publishing of a false statement that damages your reputation. Defamation can be broken into two categories. There's libel and there's slander. Libel is making this false statement that damages your reputation in writing. Slander is when somebody makes this false statement, when they speak it and make it orally. These statements have to be false, and they have to cause you some damage to be able to bring a claim for defamation. So, going back to TransUnion, TransUnion makes false statements. They say that 1 in 20 credit reports contains false information bad enough to cause your credit to cause you to pay more for credit. That means you'll pay a higher interest rate, or you might lose out on an opportunity. So that meets the definition of defamation, of libel. TransUnion makes a false statement that damages your reputation, and that damage to your reputation means that you lose an opportunity, or you pay more for credit, a higher interest rate. What kind of false statements does TransUnion make? Well, there are reports of them saying that somebody's been convicted of a crime that they've never been convicted of. Oftentimes they say that you owe a debt that you don't owe, or they misreport the status of a debt. People have sued TransUnion for saying that they filed bankruptcy. They've never filed bankruptcy. There's all kinds of errors that TransUnion makes, and there's all kinds of ways they commit libel. So, why can't you sue TransUnion for defamation? Because of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, before the Fair Credit Reporting Act, TransUnion and the other credit reporting agencies were being sued in state court for defamation, for false reporting, for inaccurate reporting. They didn't like this, and at the same time, these practices were coming to the attention of Congress, and the Senate started formulating the Fair Credit Reporting Act. There was a Senator Proxmire who took the lead in drafting and getting the terms and the language of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The credit reporting agencies at the time were resistant to that, but they saw an opportunity. They saw an opportunity to press for the Fair Credit Reporting Act taking the place of all these defamation claims. So they asked for preemption. If the Fair Credit Reporting Act could preempt all these state law claims for defamation, they would support the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And under tense negotiations behind closed doors, that was a deal that was struck. So the Fair Credit Reporting Act prevents people from suing TransUnion for its defamation and libel in state court, and only bring those claims in federal court under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It requires you, the consumer, to dispute inaccurate information, to put TransUnion on notice that they've done something wrong, give them the opportunity to correct it before you file a lawsuit. So that is why federal law is the reason that TransUnion cannot be sued for defamation. If TransUnion has defamed you, if they're making false reports on your credit report, give me a call. I'd like to talk to you about how you can dispute this information and clear up your credit report. Give me a call, 210-226-0800, and we can discuss it over the phone. We can meet in person, do an online video chat, and get you a strategy for clearing up your credit report and or seeing if you have a case against TransUnion. Thanks for watching this video.